8/21/17, 8:20 a.m. Always the cloud over Exxon and back in this corridor. Although relatively free, cloud-free and clear this morning. And I say always with the cloud, it's not always, there's always a little something there, it seems like. Not always as huge, but so this day begins, like so many others. Eight 21/17, about 10 a.m., a little after 10. You can plainly see the steam rising up from ExxonMobil over there. Typical, every day. Interestingly, though, and of course we got the clouds coming in from the east. I can feel a little wind on my back, a little breeze. So this is definitely different from the normal pattern of west to east. So I wonder if Texas is going to be getting some weather now, back upstream. It's usually west to east downstream. So anyway, this is how the day is developing. 8/21/17, about 12 o'clock, close to it. I'm interested in today's clouds, if they're actually really, natural clouds, but clouds nonetheless, floating in the sky east to west. And here you can see that little cloud just going behind that big plume there. It's moving basically northeast to west, but the big cloud there is just sitting still at a lower altitude. And these puppies are apparently coming from over here in the corridor, what I call the corridor. I can feel the wind on my back, so I'm just curious how the weather pattern's going to change now with this shift from east to west rather than the typical west to east. But once again, we have these big, huge, would appear to me, ground-generated water vapor that's just hanging and not moving at a lower altitude. Okay. Just going to keep looking throughout the day and see what happens. And screw all the eclipse bullshit. How about that? Okay, about 1:15, 1:30, August 21st, 2017. Still have this east to west flow against the typical normal pattern here for the last few months. East to west rather than west to east. We got some chem clouds up there, but otherwise pretty clear. The eclipse seems to have cooled things off, and the lighting is just a little off. So I heard that you can take a selfie or just look at the sun with your camera, which would be this way. I don't want to look directly at it, but I think I've got it there. Can't really see anything, but it'll be interesting nonetheless. Anyway, my main concern is not the eclipse, but rather what's being produced at industry over here and the contrary normal flow of west to east. Now we definitely have spraying here, although I don't catch them directly very much anymore, it seems. They have become very stealth. At any rate, we still see the water vapor being generated. Okay, this is just about 10 or 15 minutes later. The lighting effects are really kind of unusual, but it seems like it may be passing. Where'd that big giant cloud go? It evaporated, thereby adding to the total precipitable water vapor content of the atmosphere. Okay, let's check out the sun again. Still getting halo and corona, but definitely seems to be changing. Funny how those two lights are streaming out in the same east. No, it's changing. North, south, east, west. Okay. Anyway, I guess I'm being attacked by demons because I'm looking at the eclipse, right? Anyway, a relatively clear day. I suppose they wanted us all to be as much exposed to the eclipse as possible, huh? Okay, a little after 5 o'clock on the 21st of August, 2017. Been clear all day, but now we got a bullshit fucking rain coming down. And where does it come from, huh? It looks like it's coming from east to west today. Anyway, this is what you get when you have weather modification. It just rains out of nowhere for no fucking reason whatsoever. That's bullshit. Clear over there at Exxon as far as I can see. No, there's always something over there. Anyway, it's just fucking incredible, and no one notices this fucked up weather. Okay, our little bullshit rain is over with. Now look at that weird cloud over there. I wish I could zoom with this. Look at the stuff hanging down off the bottom. Oh wait, that's two clouds, isn't it? Still, look at all the different clouds in the sky. It makes no sense. Makes no sense. Anyway, maybe this is the final shot for today, August 21st, 2017. Okay, hi guys. It's still eclipse day, but it's evening now, and I'm really kind of pissed, y'all. I'm really kind of pissed. This day started out, if you know, as you've watched through this strung together video through the day, all raw footage. Oh, it's always so weird back over there. All this raw footage from today reveals, what does it reveal? How many phases has the sky gone through in one fucking day? Oh, there's the poor dog, y'all. I got a sad story about that dog. But anyway, oh, well gosh, at least I get a little coolness here. Thank you, weather makers. And once again, that's coming from over here to the east. The pattern has reversed. The pattern has reversed. And today we get this totally weird eclipse day. It starts out clear except for the cloud that we saw over there. And look what it ends up like. This is fucked. I'm sorry. I'm sorry about the language. This is fucked. Holy cow. I mean, it's going to spin wildly, wildly out of their control. So just get ready, everyone, folks, dear brothers and sisters, get ready. I see no other way for this to end except in a fucking calamity. Okay, I'm ranting now. Goodbye. Okay, y'all. I know it's dark and you can't see anything, but it's 9:45 on the 21st of August in the year of our Lord 2017. Excuse me, Kim Flam. They really laid it on thick today. Anyway, now the sky is like clearing up again. It follows their wish, one of their maxims: clouds by day and clear by night, to regulate the temperatures that they are producing. That's warming the planet just so they can stay in control. You see how simple it all is once you figure it out? Well, I don't know about that. They don't invite me to the planning meetings, but overall, intuitively, that seems to be how it works. Okay, I just wanted to get that done. This is just a black video for you guys, and I'm sorry, but yeah. Clouds by day and clear by night. They got it down to some degree. It will spin wildly out of their control.